Hello everyone. So today I'm going to make myself a cocktail. More like a nightcap, and it's a bomb shot that I'm going to do. And this is a Korean version of the bomb shot. As you can see, the ingredient that I've prepared here. So I have beer, which is essential for a bomb shot. Although some may use Red Bull and other energy drink, but I think beer is this original recipe for a bomb shot. I think my personal opinion. Okay, then for the liquor, instead of using the other more Western kind of liquor, I'm going to use soju. Okay, so this is a flavored soju. It's a melon flavor one, but I just don't have an original unflavored soju with me right now, so this will do. And then for a twist, I'm using Coke as a sweet base to this recipe. So what I'm going to do is using a shot glass. And then, first, I'm going to pour half of the shot glass with Coke. And then fill it up with soju. Oh, I can smell the sweet melon flavor. Then, I think it's mixed up already. It's not supposed to be. And then I'm going to pour myself a full glass of beer. Pouring the beer like this will definitely make all the bubbles, but well, I don't care. Okay, it's not a full can, but I'll settle that later. Okay, now for the bomb shot to happen, you have to drop the bomb into the beer. And that's what I'm going to do with this. Dropping it. Into the beer. And, well, obviously, gotta drink it now. I hope this is gonna be good. Oh, gosh. All right. It's actually quite good. It added those sweet taste of Coke and soju into a rather bitter taste of beer. And by mixing beer with liquor and add sugar in it, I think it's really quite a potent cocktail or drink. That is why you see me doing it in my bedroom. So if suddenly I'm gone drunk, at least I can just go and lie on my bed and just sleep, right? Okay, so here you go. My recipe for a Korean bomb shot. Hope you enjoyed it.